Hello everyone, my name is Ishan Beg. In my last video, I demonstrate how to use the router activity, which was actually the conditional navigation between the pages. In this video, I will show you the same thing, but actually on the ADF faces, the AF switcher component, how we use this. So in this example, we'll see that we have two buttons, bar layout and pie layout, and it is displaying the bar chart. When I press the pie layout button, it will actually display the pie chart, and the same vice versa. So let's go to see how we will create this kind of page. So first I will create a new page, name it page 2, and we'll take it as a simple page. Okay, now I will add two panel boxes on my page, and in the structure window I can actually one I will name as a bar, another one. Now I will add a separator to separate the design layout, and a button, couple of buttons here. Now these both are coming vertically, we need horizontally, so we will surround this with the AF group panel group layout. And I will label it as a bar, other one as a pie. So now we'll create a DVT components in both charts. I have this data control DPT salaries, which is a summarized form, and I will create a graph here. First one is bar, we'll take a default, and bars will be salaries, axis will be department name, same thing goes, but different layout. We'll take it as a pie chart. Okay, this is complete, but we need to display, our requirement is to display one chart at one time. So what we can do is to surround both with under the AF switcher component. So what we will do here, we will, this component, switcher component, is same kind of router activity. We can use it for the same purpose. This AF switcher component actually has a property called facet name, and it's actually display the current facet name here, and it has a default facet. So first we have to create a facet inside. We'll select AF switcher and insert inside a facet. We'll name it as a bar because we need first facet, and another facet we'll create as a pie. You can create as many, and we'll drag this panel box into the bar facet, so it will display under that. and the same thing for the pi. And now you can see we can see only one at a time. So on the AF switcher component, I will give it a default facet as a bar. Now we need to dynamically switch between these facets. So what we can do, I will create a manage bean which holds the current value, and I have actually created here a Java class. It's called chart type my bean class, and we have one attribute here and initialize the value bar. So what I will do here, and then we need to set as a manage bean here, assigned it in the backend bean scope. So same thing, we will set this value on the when user will press the bar chart button, it will set the chart type attribute as bar. So what we will insert inside, we will use a set property listener, and what value we want to assign, we want to assign the name of the facet. It's actually I'm using a literal string, and we'll assign to underscore chart type, and the action is the action. Same thing for the pi button, set property listener, and I will assign this literal string to this bean attribute. Okay, now we're ready to we'll set as a facet name the expression of result of this current value of this backend bean. So whatever the current value will be here, it will become a facet name of the AF switcher component. Now we need to disable this, like if the value currently is already a bar, so we want to disable. So what we will do, a little disable property, we will use expression language here, simple. If chart type equal to bar, so this will return a true, like if chart type has a value of bar, so this result in true means it will disable the button. And same thing for the pi. And now we are ready to run this page. Let's run this page. Now you can see we have run our page and it's displaying the bar chart and the button is disabled. I will press the pi. It will display the pie chart and disable the button. The same thing I can rendered make it false for this panel boxes, but this is example for just showing you the purpose of a switcher component. You can use for different purposes. Hope you like the video, and you can download the sample code along with the blog post. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.